Swiss chard is a crop in which you can grow all summer long that is not affected by the heat. Some people suggest that if you like spinach, to grow Swiss chard additionally, so when the spinach goes to seed, you can continue to have a substitute being the Swiss chard. Multiple different color stems. We're going to take and harvest some of this and turn it into Swiss chard cheese burritos. So we're just going to take some of the different sized limbs here, or nothing in particular. Okay, now we're going to go up to the grill and get them filled with cheese. Okay, so we're going to cut out the central stem. Use a knife or your shears. Gently cut that out because that's going to be too tough to eat. And what you're going to end up with is two pieces. We're going to cut that down the center so we split that. Now, turn it upside down so you get the curl going on there. Take your favorite type of cheese, and however much or little you want to add, you're going to put it in the center here, and we're just going to roll it up. Now, if you feel like you need to have a toothpick to poke in there to keep it from coming apart, you can do that. If you're good at it, you can figure out how to tuck that in. I'm not, but that'll work. Now, at this point, you can take and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, put it on the stove for a couple of minutes, or if you've got a grill or a George Foreman grill, you can put it in there. What we're wanting to do is get that cheese to glob up together, to melt, and then you've got a Swiss chard cheese burrito.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.